This is the FFR Trading Market Minute, and again, a daily candlestick chart on the S&P 500 or the SPY, the ETF for the S&P 500 here. And, I had mentioned last week, watch that RSI to see if we get into that overbought territory. And if we did, we probably start to go sideways until maybe lower if the RSI can cross back below its moving average, which you see it did on, this was on Tuesday. And that low on that Tuesday got broken on Wednesday to the downside. And that's usually a good sign that you're going to get some fall through to the downside. Now, the RSI remains below its moving average. We gapped up this morning, but another kind of weakening of the buyers up here as they were not able to hold above. They were able to fill the gap back to the prior day's close here. So some weakness there. Here's your support, moving average support below that. Things still remain bullish above the 20-period moving average here. When we start breaking that down, obviously things become more bearish than bullish until we get into an oversold position on that RSI, but not there yet. So expect some side. We just had that Fed announcement holding pat on interest rates, maybe in September, maybe not. All right, so market's going to have to kind of deal with that uncertainty and kind of sort that out. And I think that's why you're going to see some sideways action here. And we know we've had a pretty strong move to the upside, so we're due for some corrective action. All right, so we'll see what we get there. Economic data set for release next week. Monday, we'll start with the factory orders at 10 a.m. Tuesday, the important ISM services PMI. Thursday, we'll have initial jobless claims. And Friday's consumer inflation expectations. Hope that helps. Have a great rest of your trading week. We'll see you back next week in the FFR Trading Market Minute.